Hi, my name is Marilyn, and for this video, I'm going to be transforming into the tragically beautiful assassin Maria from Deadly Class. To start my face makeup, I'm stippling on the Ben Nye Clown White makeup with a cosmetic sponge. Since this is a grease paint, I'm not using my nicest sponges, and I found that with this technique, I can apply the most coverage the fastest. To set my base, I'm using the Ben Nye Super White powder. I'm applying it all over my face using a large fluffy brush. For some added coverage, I'm using the Sugarpill Tako eyeshadow. I'm starting off my eye makeup by laying down a base. And for that I'm using the MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. Next I'm using an eyeliner pencil to line the closest around my eyes. Now with the fluffy blending brush, I'm going to be blowing out that black eyeliner. To fill in the rest of the eye area, I'm going to be using the Ben Nye color wheel with the black shade. To begin drawing in the petals, I'm going to be picking up the shade Cherry Bomb on a flat concealer brush. The shape of this brush is going to help draw in the petals. Now I'm adding the black outline detail to the petals, with smaller, more detailed eyeliner brushes. A lot of the petals that I outlined came out a little uneven, and it's okay. I just switched over on the other eye to a smaller eyeliner brush, so I can really get in and make sure that I create the same thickness to all the petals. I'm just going back in between the red paint and the black to fix any mistakes. Now that the petals are completed, I want to set the middle of my eye with all the black. For that I'm using Sugarpill's Bulletproof. For the lips, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills lip palette. Now I'm using a black liquid eyeliner to create the skeletal lip shape. For that, I'm just drawing lines down the middle of my lips. For the cheeks, Maria also has these cute little skeleton, almost contour cutouts. They're just little triangles on the side of her face. First I'm starting off with the red Cherry Bomb color. And then outlining it with the black. Once I've repeated that on both sides, I'm going to move on to the nose. The shape on her nose is kind of strange. It looks like almost a crown, but with just two little points. And for that, I'm just using a black liquid eyeliner. For the forehead details, I'm almost creating two little separated heart-looking shapes. And on the outside of these shapes, I'm just going to create little dots with a dotting tool. And this is the completed look. Thank you so much for watching my Deadly Class Maria makeup. If you like this video, please make sure to leave a thumbs up down below and subscribe to my channel as well. For a closer look of this makeup, you can follow me on Instagram and Twitter at MarilynMugBeat. I'll see you next time. Bye!